How to buy retail token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as it goes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check the amount description. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token it's available right now on the screener. It created 19 hours ago and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's mean your investment in this safe place. This token is trending number 13 on Solana section on the screener. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address it's under the Solana network. Open your French wallet for that, and now click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana in the wallet before going on buy this token. Click here and place the token address as you can see here, guys. Now click on your token and here type how much you want to buy. So as you can see, this is how much you receive of that token. Now select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information here. Now click on swap and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here on customer, because the most of the issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy retail token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.